Ethan is a plant operator at Cargill. Recently, he's been hearing a lot about Lean Six Sigma as a way to improve performance at his plant and throughout Cargill by removing waste and reducing variation. He knows that he's already empowered to help solve problems and make improvements by making suggestions and having continuous improvement discussions with his team. But in a recent discussion with his coworker, Sophia, she mentioned that she is working on getting a Lean Six Sigma belt certification. This piqued his interest. How could he grow his own expertise and become more engaged with quality management and waste reduction? How can he earn a belt of his own? This is Lean Six Sigma training levels. Simply stated. Sophia began by talking about the purpose of Lean Six Sigma belt certification. As she assessed her career goals and opportunities, she saw that Lean Six Sigma could help to accelerate achieving her business's mission and strategic goals and improve its efficiencies. She knew she could contribute to Cargill's vision by becoming more of an expert in the principles, processes, and tools of Lean Six Sigma. But no one becomes an expert overnight. Sophia had to prepare herself to begin her journey to becoming a Lean Six Sigma problem-solving master. Sophia talked about how belts are used in martial arts. As a student's knowledge, skills, and training progress, they earn belts which help showcase their learnings and experience. Each belt signifies the level of training received and represents their mastery of that skill. The progression of belts in Lean Six Sigma is used in the exact same way, with white, yellow, green, black, and master black belts. Our belt progression starts with a course that everyone should take, called CI for Everyone. It's a course that is for anyone with a problem to solve. And it's a great way to be introduced to the continuous improvement tools that can immediately make a positive impact in your work and your life. The belt levels begin with the white belt. This entry-level course is a great introduction to better understand Lean and Six Sigma problems and the basics of waste, how to visualize a process, and a few simple tools to get started in problem solving. You'll be able to exercise your new learnings by identifying and eliminating waste at your own workplace and see immediate results. At the yellow belt level, we begin to have certifications that are required as we move up in belt knowledge and experience. The yellow belt gets more in-depth in identifying and eliminating waste. This course is more structured and involves a real-world project to apply what you have learned in class. Just like in martial arts, as we begin to move up in the belts, the coursework becomes more rigorous and the commitment becomes greater. But Sophia explains that her newly earned green belt is well worth the investment. A green belt analyzes and solves product or process variation problems using statistical data analysis tools, working under the guidance of an experienced Six Sigma black belt. Green belt projects have a significant impact on their business and Cargill by adding value and reducing waste. The certified black belt is completely proficient in Lean Six Sigma problem solving and all the supporting tools. They have ultimate process knowledge on how to recognize and resolve both waste and variation problems. A person with a black belt is a master-level problem solver and understands the change management principles to sustain the change. These belt designations help us measure our progress and allow us to identify our experienced problem-solving experts throughout the organization. Ethan asks about the amount of work involved as Sophia works through her belts. Sophia explains you can expect to join a team of 12 to 15 learners, or cohorts, just like you, and you'll be attending weekly lectures and e-learnings. Each course lasts 10 to 12 weeks, usually with a short break in the middle. The first couple weeks will consist of 1 to 2 hours of virtual lectures and e-learnings per week, followed by a simulation exercise that the whole class completes together in order to review everything that has been learned. This hands-on, collaborative learning keeps everyone active and helps you connect the dots to be able to apply your new knowledge to real-world situations. In addition to the training, all belts require a real-world project to be completed using your newly learned skills. Sophia expects to commit 10 to 35% of her work week on her projects. Fortunately, she has the support of both a Lean Six Sigma mentor and a sponsor who will assist her with her project and help provide resources along the way. At the end of each course, she will take an exam in order to become certified at each level. Lean Six Sigma belts can be monumental for the business, our customers, and for you, but only you can decide how far you want to go. As for Ethan, he's excited to get started on his journey. This has been Lean Six Sigma Training Levels, Simply Stated.